This is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm in the Sydney suburb of Newtown at Camperdown Cemetery, and I'm going to go for a little bit of a walk through here and show you about. So looks pretty interesting. There's this amazing Moreton Bay fig, I'm pretty sure that's what that is, which is huge and absolutely amazing. And then over here you have the Cemetery Lodge. Not really sure what that is, but it's a beautiful old style home with a little garden. Looks really quaint. It'd be an interesting place to live. Obviously people come here and take their dogs for walks. There's a really old quaint church which is probably still used. Yep, service times 10:45 a.m. Newtown Morning Church, 4:30 p.m. Cottage Church, and 6:30 p.m. Church in the Graveyard. Not sure what days though. I'm not sure if this is a sneaky car park for some people. Looks like some people having a picnic in between the graves, which is quite unusual, but each to their own. A few more people just chilling out in the cemetery. I haven't hung in a cemetery since I was probably a teenager, to be honest with you, in my early teens. So yeah, some really interesting headstones and stuff. Some tombs. So yeah, Newtown or Camperdown Cemetery, whatever you want to call it. Once again, it's been a Pandemic Traveller video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you know anyone that might be interested in seeing my videos, please share it with them. And if you have anything you want to ask me or anywhere possibly you'd like me to go, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching again. Pandemic Traveller out.